Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to see new people someone followed on Instagram. So for example, I have here my account and let's head over right here into our followers. So for example, I have in here this person. I can actually request to follow them back. So in here you can also see other people, like if you follow someone, you can see in here as well all of the recent followings that they have. So for example, let's try in here this particular account of this celebrity. Now, in here, you can see they have in here their followers. So, it's actually not sorted alphabetically. This is because the recent one onto this list is their most recent follower. And if you want to see new people that someone followed, you can go to the following, and in here, the latest one is the latest one that they have actually followed as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.